Hello everyone, I'm Jill. I'm customer support from AlgoLaser.
Hello guys, I'm Mina. Nice to meet you today. I'm from sales department of AlgoLaser.
Hello everyone, I'm Shenzhen, the CEO and founder of AlgoLaser, and welcome you guys to pay visit to our Shenzhen headquarters of AlgoLaser. Okay, let's go.
AlgoLaser HQ and office are in two different provinces of China. In Shenzhen, the technology hub at the first biggest port in the world is here. AlgoLaser HQ, R&D, QC department, as well as factory are located here. AlgoLaser is born to build upon all this experience and absorbed into the R&D and the manufacturing. All the feedback from users that's been for the most part ignored by the whole industry. AlgoLaser is currently cooperating with the world leaders in laser optics and the laser source manufacturers with the goal to bring the market the highest quality laser module at the most affordable price. In our debut to the market, we will already introduce optic improvements in our lasers that will allow users to experience 40% higher power density at the focal point, maintaining a very small spot size. Our laser machines are strong enough to cut through 0.1 mm stainless steel palette with single pass and the 15 mm black acrylic. The other biggest innovations come in the sense of firm rigidity. Our alpha and delta lines have the ability to move up to 30,000 and 50,000 mm per minute respectively. Here is our R&D department. In Shenzhen HQ, we have three main departments in our R&D. Everything always came with our electronic engineers. They are the creators of our motherboard, the brains of our machine and accessories. In a world where more and more technology is implemented in every device, our electronic engineers fulfill a key part of our product development.
Just as important as the electronic engineers, our firmware team is responsible for writing the software that runs on our motherboards. Furthermore, they are responsible for bug fixing and improving software.
Here is our software development team. We are developing our own mobile application and computer software that we are not depending on third-party team. Our AlgoLaser mobile application will give you full control of your machine wirelessly. We are as well in the earlier stage of development of our desktop application.
There is a lot more that happens on research and development that normally is unseen by the users. Today, we will show you exactly that. To help us understand all the testing that happens behind the scenes, I would like to introduce you to our quality engineer, Zhang Fan.
Hello， 这是我们的赖静电发生器，我们主要的目的就是测试产品的一个赖静电器。下面我来演示一下整个测试过程。当我们测试完成之后，气泵能正常的工作，然后按键各项功能都是正常的，然后我们判定为合格。
Oh, I see.
这个是我们的一个红横式箱，我们测试的主要功能就是一个是模拟产品正常的一个储存环境、运输环境，还有它的一个工作状况，对它的稳定性做一个测试。
Can we look inside?
可以。这个是我们的 PCBA 的测试支据，我们会模拟整机的一个功能，对它进行一个测试，然后判定的标准是根据那个灯的一个状态，判定它是否是合格的。你想尝试一下吗？
Yes, please.
R&D and the QC department are happy with the quality of every single parts, then our procurement department will create the inventory. Our workshop can start production, so let's have a look. This is our production line. Currently, we are finalizing our production of our new product, Alpha. Every product goes through assembly multiple times and making our machine quite modular in the both manufacturing and assembly. At the very end of production line, we are presented with the machine in the box.
So Mina,
Yes?
what happens next?
Oh, that's good questions. So let's meet our manager Joe from QC department.
大家好，我是AlgoLaser的主要负责人朱一。我们的产品经过生产之后，后面还有更多深度的测试，大家想知道吗？你跟我来。
Okay, let's go.
"好的，我们的机器来到了成品检验区，我们这个成品组装好了，然后开始相关的一些测试。来，这是我们的测试的一个画面。接下来我们会对机器进行3点测试。第一点，我们会对机器进行老化测试，在长达8小时的老化时间，确保机器的使用的寿命是没有问题的。第二点，我们会进行雕刻和切割测试。雕刻测试的目的是保证用户在使用它的时候是完美的状态。第三点，我们会在出厂之前对机器进行清洁和检查，确保用户收到它的时候是没有瑕疵的。
Thank you, Mr. Zhang.
Thank you.
I would like to take the opportunity to speak about our new Alpha machine. Alpha is the first of multiple laser engraving machines AlgoLaser is going to release in the next months. Although Alpha comes to the market at an entry-level price, this does not mean it has entry-level feature sets. There is a complete overview video of our Alpha machine in our website, AlgoLaser.com. However, I would like to point a few features. Firstly, our 20-watt laser module. This module comes standard with Alpha machine as well as the air pump. We develop our own optical technology which allows us 40% more power at the focal point, without having to compromise the engraving quality. The 20-watt module also features warning indicators. These indicators will remind the user if the module needs to undergo maintenance or if there's a problem with the air pressure or engraving as a flame. Important to highlight that our Alpha laser pump connects to our Alpha machine via the AlgoLaser Smart Connect technology. This is one of the innovations AlgoLaser is pushing to the market. Every add-on AlgoLaser launches for our machines will be fully compatible with Smart Connect technology. This means that every AlgoLaser machine will be able to detect and configure itself for the add-on connected. We want our users to experience our add-ons as if they were a computer mouse, a true and complete plug-and-play experience. Besides self-configuration, the advantage of Smart Connect technology is the bidirectional digital signal. This means, in the case of our air pump, users have complete software control of airflow. Software like Lightburn and our own AlgoLaser app are able to send commands to start and stop the air pump. Hope you enjoyed our visit to the factory. Next stop, Shenzhen. Let's go!
Hello guys, welcome to Changsha office. To get us started, I would like to introduce our sales department. If you ever get in touch with us via website or email, it's very likely someone from this team will assist you, or if necessary, pass it along to the technical department. Our sales team are here to help and serve all of users.
In the research and development side of things, all the structural engineering of our products is done here. After having just finished our AlgoLaser Alpha, our engineers are now wrapping up our flagship laser engraver.
A very important department as well is our supply chain and the logistics. There are a lot of customers asking how we arrange the shipping after order our product from our website. Now I will lead off supervisor from logistics and explain to you.
大家好，我是物流部门的王康。 我们的发货方式包括空运、海运、汽运以及铁路运输，而且我们还可以发全球的商业快递。商业快递包括 DHL、UPS 以及联邦快递，而且我们在美国、捷克、西班牙以及俄罗斯都有自己的海外仓，我们可以从当地国家的海外仓直接发货，发货的速度会非常的快。
And lastly, we have our media and marketing team. At the moment, most of my colleagues are behind the cameras. Say hi.
Hi.
But I think I can show you some behind the scenes. We have a live stream going at the moment. Come.
Oh yeah, it seems like we finished this.
Thank you everyone for joining us in this small tour of AlgoLaser. We are sure that you will hear a lot about us, and that we will also listen to all the feedbacks you would like to give us. We are here to serve you and to improve the industry with you and for you. Bye.